and welcome to another episode of Culterra's products. Today we'll be discussing bark chips and a few of their uses in the garden. So bark chips are small pieces of tree bark, usually from hardwood trees such as pines or even cedars. And bark chips are popular in the garden because of their very natural look, and they can be used decoratively for paths. They can be used for other purposes like mulching. So let's discuss a few of those common uses. So why does bark form a good mulch? When spread on the surface in your garden, it helps to regulate soil temperature. It also helps to retain moisture by reducing evaporation, and it can aid in suppressing weed growth. Bark chips can create really nice pathways. They keep the ground quite soft. They're pleasant to walk on. They're clean. They're easy to manage. Bark chips can also be mixed into your soil to add organic matter, or when used on the surface as a mulch, they also decompose over time, and that adds nutrients to your soil. If you have slopes that are eroding, then bark is another good medium for that. It helps to prevent erosion, protects the soil surface from not only evaporation but also wind. Finally, bark chips are an eco-friendly and sustainable resource. So today I'm going to show you how to use bark chips in the garden. I have a paved pathway which I would like to keep cleaner, and I'm going to place bark around the pavers. Let's get going.